Okay, since everyone is here, Ms. Wulan, can we start the meeting this morning?
Okay, we can start the meeting now. First, I will introduce our members at the meeting this morning. Myself as chairman that leads preparation of the meeting agenda. Kila as secretary, Dania as finance manager, Eva as production manager, Anis as marketing manager, Fatin as general manager, and Anina as personal manager. I hope you all can see the document that I sent last time via WhatsApp group. If anyone has not read and paid attention, I will send you through a chat room.
Thank you, Ms. Wulan.
Okay, the document contains financial report and the agenda for this meeting. So let's move on to our discussion of the review of the agenda provided for approval. Could you please tell us about the conclusion of the previous meeting and our agenda for today's meeting, Ms. Kila?
Okay, thanks, Ms. Wulan. I, as a secretary, will read the conclusion from the previous meeting and the agenda for the meeting this morning. First, the conclusion of our previous meeting was that of the 2020 increase in net profit, which was due to market expansion and non-capitalization. So last year, we made the decision to increase the market expansion rather than release new product, but on condition that the company must still upgrade the product in accordance with the trend, considering that the company has released many products in the first year. Next on the agenda for today, we'll be listening to a description of the previous year financial report. Then we follow up with a discussion of what product this company has brought and development of products quality. And then we follow up with an explanation of the marketing strategy and what the company has done to market the product. And what step we should do next, and the last is to collect opinion on what has happened this year, and then what step we will choose to advance the company. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the explanation, Ms. Kila. I hope we can work well together for a better company. Ms. Dania, as finance manager, could you describe the annual financial report of the company's previous period?
Well, thank you, Ms. Wulan. For the opportunity, I'll share the screen first. I hope you're paying attention to me.
Sure, Ms. Dania.
Sure, yeah. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I am very grateful for the opportunity and attention you all gave me. I am Dania as a financial manager that responsible for financial health of the company. My job and the team is producing accurate financial reports and information, developing cash flow statements, projecting profit, managing credit, providing advice in making financial decisions, directing investments, making financial forecasts, budgeting, managing risks of financial loss. Now I'm going to talk about the annual financial statements of our company. To start with, I will discuss about the annual financial statements from 2019 to 2021. And after all the explanations have been explained, I will summarize my presentation. And before we start, I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. Okay, everyone? First of all, I'll show you the annual revenue report of the company. In 2019, our company achieved revenue in its first year, standing at 35 billion and a profit of 15 million. 2. Furthermore, in 2020, the company received revenue of 50 billion and profit of 30 billion after it was calculated. It can be seen here that the company experienced an increase from the previous year. There are several factors that cause the increase. Companies here have started to go public by opening investors to invest in the company, considering that it can support the company's funding and market expansions. Choosing to expand the market such as Malaysia, Singapore, and Turkey by continue to upgrade the product according to the trend. And companies take other business opportunities such as different types of hijab and socks. Of course, because of the good management of the company. Three, in 2021, the company will receive revenue of 40 billion and a profit of 10 billion after a long accounting process. For this year, the company experienced a decline, starting a decrease in revenue and a decrease in profit. And there are factors that have been considered. Market decline in Turkey and insignificant increase in other markets. Okay, I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions?
I want to ask something, Ms. Dania. Is the decrease in the company's revenue and profit due to one of them? Is the presence of workers or other resources that are not very useful as to add to the costs that must be incurred by the company?
Thanks to Ms. Fatin's questions. Judging by the number of employees and the costs incurred for their salaries that decreased and increased in the past few months, in my opinion, with the change in the amount that is imagined for employees' salaries indicates that there is a strict selection of employees so that the company does not experience futility in hiring them. How about you, Ms. Anina?
Yes. And let's have the question of investment monitoring the purpose of employees regularly. What have done to ask Ms. Arnold's report. We consider special training and to recruit who are not suitable to work here. Me and the team will try to take in the selection of employee entry. Thank you.
Well, anyone want to ask me again?
I would like to ask Ms. Dania, how is the dividend split when income decreases in 2021?
I decided to reduce the division of dividends and include it in retained earnings in order to reduce the decline that occurred in the company, Ms. Anina.
Thank you, Ms. Dania, for the answer.
You are welcome, Ms. Anina. Anyone still want to ask? If not, I'll have no presentation this time. Thanks for all the attention.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Dania, for your great presentation. Now we can all know the company's financial statement from year to year and the factor that affect it. Ms. Kila, have you record all the presentation and question in the Dania presentation last time?
Noted, Miss Wulan.
Well, now Eva, as the protection manager, you can continue the agenda of this meeting with a presentation.
Okay, good morning everyone. Please on all. I'm grateful for the opportunity I gave me to make a presentation this morning. And I hope you can listen well to what I'm going to say here. I'm Eva, as production manager that plan. Coordination and control manufacturing processes. Make sure good and supervisor are produced safely, cost effectively, and on time, and that they meet the requested quality standard. Now I'm going to discuss about development product and what projects have been issued by the company. To start with, I maintain product from the company and product that my team and I have prepared to release at any time. And financially, I'll summarize my presentation. And before we start, I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. Right, first of all, our company is a company that sells shares clothes with a modern design so that it knows all that initially only sells share clothing that the determination of the company destination to take business opportunities related to share e-clothing, namely fair and shop. Now, also, you all the companies production that have been running for the last 2 years. The one is the Mandalika field sleeve garments with geometric motif like this. The company provides brown and black color blouse is giving the impression of elegance. Then present the use of material with polyester materials and several options that are arguably complete as MSL, SSL. 2. And we move to the Probi. Company provides almond, dusty, maroon, border color because it gives the impression of beautiful and graceful. The pattern, the use of material is the first material that have the aesthetic of the right thickness and several cycles SL, MSL, SSL. 3. And then the kimono, the company provides gray, black, almond, arm colors, very suitable for leisurely work. The present, the use of materials with premium rayon material that have bright absorption and soft skillnet and several sizes option SL, ML, SL. 4. And lastly, the Shari. This product Shari will in many countries, especially Islamic State. The company provides maroon, dust, mocha, black colors that are very beautiful and graceful. The Shari is suitable for women who want to look sharp. It can use this with scrap material. The size available is a size M and L. 5. Pashmina with chiffon material that will not make its user overgotten and the material is not easily tangled and practical to us. In back, baking, not blue donker, maroon. 6. Pashmina diamond Italia material that have a structure like sand. The material is this and as to from. Available color are burnt white, beige, cream, brown, pink, black. 7. Quadrilateral hijab with foam material that is light and soft and gives us comfortable even with us. Available in black, white, brown, beige, maroon, and gray. 8. Pashmina with textured carrot material such as orange peel is smooth and give an graceful impression. Suitable for us on day or formal event, provided gas, pink, beige, soft gray color. Well, I will tell you about all the products that are produced by our company. Now we'll move on to the development of a product that will be realized by the company if gives permission to issue new products. Product development is any step that aim to develop a product from a concept or idea through market relations and so on. According to the target, product development is a series of steps that include the concept, creator, design, development, and marketing of newly created or newly rebranded products. From the two definitions above, we can conclude that product development is the process of developing and making changes to a product. 1. The brocade can be seen, provided beauty and elegant colors. Mocha brocade, black, dark gray brocade, white, which can be used when it's coming to imported even, using a liquid invisibility masquerade material, burn brocade, and 20 with CJ or CJ M and L. The advantages of the product. 1. Brocade are famous for its long and lost design. 2. The delicate material with a complex pattern makes brocade luxurious. 3. Have a beautiful model, dependent brewing broad as a dress for a party. Right? Let's sum up, shall we?
Okay, Miss Eva.
Okay. So there are several products from our company that launching the last 2 years, and in 2020, the company decided to expand to several countries for product marketing. And not only they develop product according to trends such as clothing colors, model, and material that have been upgraded according to the times. And lastly, we as a production team have prepared a product that will be realized if the company decided to release a new product. Okay, and I thank you all for being such as IT people audience. Are there any question?
I would like to ask Ms. Eva, in terms of quality, with the ingredients used for the manufacture of the company's products, maybe it could be the case of the market decline in Turkey.
Thank you for the question, Ms. Patin. For the raw material used for the manufacturing of product is using good quality ingredients that we have for the beginning checkers ourselves to the factory and have subscribed, so often get a % discount in lighter qualities.
Is on the market design in Turkey due to inflation. Is on Ms. Anis?
Yes, right, Ms. Wulan. Later, I will explain in the presentation after this.
Sure, Ms. Anis.
Does anyone want to ask me about my presentation again?
I want to ask Ms. Eva, what about the cost for the production process?
Previously, the cost of production itself is the cost included by the company during the manufacturing or processing process in order the products production that are ready to be marketing. The cost calculated here is 1. Costing quality raw material. I have explained that money often get like voucher discount. 2. Processing raw material into finished material because the company has asset is a factor. And for employees has been arrived by the personnel team. The debt here is now cluster of employee salary expenses. And for the production process is not distributed by it. 3. Packaging process carried out by employees who have selected to packing goods for instead and offset the carton. Packaging arrives have packaging also primary and secondary packaging. This is a little costly, but the team have managed it well.
Miss Eva, what about adding the type of color in Pashmina product and rectangular files?
Sounds good. Seeing the public is crowd looking for a nice and rare pale color. I agree with you, Miss Gila.
I agree with Miss Gila too. It is not bad to adjust the color of the pair with expense that are not as much as with the expenditure of new clothing products.
Yes, maybe because the color limitations over make consumers' interest and happiness difficult to reach.
Well, I discuss is where the time after this to consider it again. If yes, then I will give you the budget amount to launching this product, Mr. Dania.
Okay, Miss Eva.
Well, I ended the presentation at this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you for Eva. Your great presentation. It can be concluded that we will issue Pashmina and rectangular hijab product with more color variants. So it is expected that our market will expand and can increase the company's revenue. Okay, Miss Gila, has it been recorded?
Noted, Miss Mulan.
Okay, now we can continue with the presentation by Miss Anis as the marketing manager.
Thank you, Ms. Luan, for the opportunity. Good morning, everyone. I'm Anis as marketing manager that handles the marketing of our business, our product, with a variety of responsibilities, such as putting together estimates and purchase formatting campaigns, submit them for approval, working with advertising agencies involved in negotiation, preparing sales and advertising contracts, and reviewing advertising materials such as print material, TV commercials, and online advertisement. Today, I will be presenting about marketing strategy and that what the company has done to market the product. In this presentation, I will start with context in the marketing strategy market. Afterward, first of all, I mentioned the concept in marketing strategy. No company and to simple maintain its current level of revenue and outreach by keeping a steady plan of product. Using a combination of marketing and service can identify how your product will help your company grow. Each of the following growth strategies is based on a combination of marketing and service. Market position is a strategy express we use to establish the image of a brand or product in a consumer mind. This is a spread from the market promotion, price, class, and product. The more detailed your positioning strategy is identifying the best, the more effective the strategy will be. Growth strategies are based on market penetration, the combination of current product and current market your product. Marketing strategy focus on increasing your market share and keeping existing customer to use more of product. Market development, the combination of current product and new markets. The product marketing strategy focus on new audience and communication with different packaging and pricing. Product development, the combination of new product and current market. The listening to your audience, you stay ahead of your competitions, developing new and innovative product. Diversification, the combination of new products and new markets. Your product marketing strategy must clearly define your goals. Since your current product is not growing at the rate you need for business to flourish. Well, I've taught you about all the context. Now you'll move on to third market positioning. In 2019, the company used a market development strategy that is to develop product for the domestic market without expanding the market because the company received a positive response in the domestic market. It is to remember that fans of Muslim clothing or Shari clothing are inherent in many people in the country. In 2021, there is a difference in the company's revenue and profit due to a market decline in Turkey because their inflation there. Will we look at the market position of our company? Let me turn now to the conclusion. There are several strategies in market our company product, and there are some that are already used in our company. And as we know that in 2021, the company is experiencing a decline in revenue and profit due to inflation in Turkey. For domestic and foreign market other than Turkey, there has not been a significant increase. My team has been deliberating on what to do in the future to improve the company market by improving the quality of existing product and promotion team, and temporarily laying of market in the Turkish market until inflation subsides. Here's what I can tell you. I'm grateful for everyone who's to listen to my presentation. If anyone has a question or want to share your opinion, just click the raise hand button at the mic on, and I will try to answer it.
Thank you, Anis, for your great presentation. Now, does anyone have an opinion?
I think inflation in Turkey is very detrimental to our companies. The first inflation impact felt by the company is certainly related to customer purchasing power. Rising price can make customer reluctant to buy so as to reduce the turnover obtained. We have to stop the market there first.
I agree with you, Miss Kila and Miss Anis, so as not to add to the loss and disgrace for the company.
How about doing e-commerce promotion activities in the American market over time? the market can grow very rapidly at the same time. That way, the company's profits can increase rapidly. Do we need to spend more money on the promotion of our product?
That's a pretty good idea, Miss Fatin. I'll try to spend enough money to promote the product so that our products can be more recognized in that country.
I don't agree with Ms. Fatin because entering the American market is not an easy matter. These markets are very different. The competition is 5 times tougher. We must be more careful and thorough in knowing what product have entering the market.
There is also something true in what Miss Annie said. Let's see what they need first. Will we improve product quality with additional innovations first so that product can compete in the market?
But we can try one of them so that we know how the activities of products go in and out of there.
Are we just very share from America without us knowing it? We can monitor this product and we don't need to be too afraid of big loss. Maybe we will even get profit.
As we all know, if you don't forget, America is one of the countries with the most Muslim fashion enthusiasts. Will it make our company lose?
It's something I thought of error. If that, we shouldn't be too afraid to expand the market there. But we can also better judge it by planting sort of Muslim fashion companies there so that we can understand the taste of the people there.
Yes, I agree with Ms. Roland. We can be on guard by planting shares there so that there are no losses that will affect the company. Given that we will also add color variations to pashmina and rectangular hijab products, surely the domestic markets increase with the presence of a lot.
Well, this morning the opinions of the manager have been gathered. So I conclude that to deal with the case of declining corporate income and profit caused by Turkish inflation, our company will temporarily dismiss the market there and will expand the market by planting salt in America so that when we have entered the market there, we will not be surprised and immediately know the taste of the people there and also the addiction of hijab color variation that will certainly increase public demand and will cover the company's loss. For the production manager, you can later submit a report on the new product that you and the team have prepared, and also the estimate fund that must be spent for the addition of hijab color variation. Leave it to me and Miss Dania.
Okay, Chambers, I will take care of it immediately.
Okay, so the conclusion of this meeting is 1. Temporary stop the Turkish market. 2. Addition of hijab color variation. And the last is plant shares in America. For meeting next month, let's meet at the same time, 9 o'clock, in the same place here. Is that okay for everyone?
Okay, Miss Kira.
I think it's enough for today meeting. Thanks for everyone's participation. See you at the next meeting.